Hello and welcome to another update video about Quant QNT. I think we have probably some clarity here, at least in terms of the two bullish scenarios. So yesterday we talked here about two bullish scenarios on the chart. There is a bearish and a bullish count. Within the bullish, there are two bullish micro counts. I mean, this is really a time frame that many people don't even analyze. We talked about in the bullish count about the possibility that the move of the 10th of March low was possibly a wave one. You can count it as an impulse, and then that we come down, or that we came down in an A wave, high B wave, and we're now coming down in a C wave. So that the move up was a wave one, and this here a wave two. Support did hold so far at the 50% retracement at $120. And from here, as long as this support area is holding, and we talk here about the key level of being $112, yeah, that's really the key level. If we drop below $112, then we are probably going to follow the downward path. But let's first talk about the bullish scenarios. And we would then, if we hold this area, rally in a third wave in 5 waves. A third wave always has 5. And then we get a wave 4 and a wave 5. Into the $200 region. Again, for that to remain valid and to be a preferred scenario, it really needs to hold the $112 level. It also needs to break above the wave 4 high. It so far hasn't done that. Yeah, we talk here, let me just actually take that out again. We talk here about the $134.60 level. So far that wasn't broken to the upside, and therefore the downside scenario is still very valid. So we're really sitting on the fence here, a bit in no man's land between two scenarios. Okay, so sometimes unfortunately we have that situation in markets. There was another scenario we talked about, but this really only affects the micro level. It doesn't really affect the scenario as a whole. The other count that we discussed yesterday was a possible for a 1-2 setup here, and then another 1-2 setup. I did remove this support area now because it's not valid or not relevant anymore. Because obviously yesterday we had two scenarios here. That one in which we have a 1-2 basically got, well, not invalidated, but it has come down so much that we've hit the second support area anyway. So from that point of view, in the bullish scenario, we basically only have one left. And looking at the bigger picture, the bullish case would look as follows. We would say wave 1 to the upside, wave, let me think, 2 to the downside, and then here off the wave 3, a 1-2 setup and another 1-2 setup, and we could from here rally into that third wave, the $200 region. Now this is the bullish case. In the bearish case, by the way, let me actually put onto the chart that bullish count as well, because we already have that 1-2 set up on the chart, so I can just add the other 1-2, and it should then play out like this. And I'm going to make that blue because the blue count is sort of the more bullish count. Okay. Yeah, this is the bullish count, and the yellow one is the bearish count. For that to be in full control, we need a meaningful and sustained break below the $112 level. The 78.6 retrace of this move, a drop below that level, is a stronger retracement than it would be ideal, and then would put emphasis more on a direct downward path to first test $100 and maybe lower. Okay, that's my update about QNT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.